Bang, that's me.
Ooh, that is you.
That's Thunderosa, that's Big Bob.
Yes, sir.
And that's all the gang.
The rest of the crusty
And that's
crew.
Kevin Knight. Because we here, San Antonio Boeing Techport. It's a big Dynamite and Collision. We're living the fallout from Wrestle Dream.
Right. You know, we started Wrestle Dream off with a bang, so we're going to keep that momentum going.
Boom, literal fireworks. Literal and figurative fireworks. Literal fireworks on the stage, figurative fireworks in the ring.
See, we poetic in the way we do our stuff, so tonight should be a good one.
Tonight should be when it's Dynamite and Collision that are taping tonight. So let's go in, get deep, feel the action. Okay.
What are you doing, man?
So, I saw what you said about me. And yet about the dirt sheets too, which I completely agree with. But I saw that you said online that I was the nicest guy in the locker room, or one of them, I don't remember. So I just wanted to look you in the eye and say, fuck you, man.
Man, you're gonna ruin my reputation, man. God, you're gonna ruin my reputation. Fuck, come on, man. Yeah, you're a nice fucking guy. You're
See,
talented.
no, you ruined your own
you're-
reputation by being nice
well,
and
you know.
saying such nice things online. You gotta stop being nice to people.
But I'm honest to a fault. That's my problem. I'm honest to a fault. Fuck all of you.
Fuck you all. Hold up. We gotta do a tiebreaker.
It's getting serious.
It's
down
fucking
here.
1-1.
What you know about plasma
Prince
sword?
fucking sucks. Prince fucking sucks.
Ryan's my guy now.
Yeah, no.
Look at him.
This guy stinks.
I had a lot of faith in him. He was black.
Yeah. No.
He let me down.
I think we gotta go Ryan Bianco.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do.
Let's go.
We gotta go Ryan Bianco.
No, you're getting around again. Here, I'll film for your vlog.
All right, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. It's on now. Oh, bam.
Nice block.
Did he counter?
He
What?
countered, yeah.
How do you block?
His back.
Hold back. Back away from them.
Wait, which one am
God,
I?
there's two cats. You're the green one?
You're the
I'm
one
the
on
green one.
ground.
Darius is the red one. Here's the
What does circle do?
You're the gay cat.
Another attack.
Okay, this is pretty even.
Oh, you missed it. Bro, he's back shot.
It's a racist. One of them's gay and one of them's racist. Inside of you, there are two cats.
We can't play any of them.
Oh, shit. Got him with the... It's anyone's game. Counter. Bang. All right, that's one round. That's one round.
That's a straight Kofi move.
That is straight Kofi.
Oh, I done.
Nice grab.
This is actually a mating ritual. The winner gets to mount the leader.
Ryan is throwing out some Swass boys.
Some Swass
Maybe he
boys.
deserves to get beat up.
Nice dodge.
I'm just saying.
Get him out of there, Bianco. Oh, they're aura farming. Oh, shoot. He wasted his super. Come on,
Nah,
here.
he got something. Hey, that's okay. He got something out of it. Something out of nothing. Come on, Ryan, hit square.
Your super.
Hit square.
Oh, there it is. The pride of the cats.
Damn.
Hey,
Jets beat up.
So.
Ryan, let me down. He got beat by Dylan.
Let's go. Who's next? Who we got? Who we got? Okay. Check it. Granami Code on YouTube. Check out the rest. So the Young Bucks, because they're broke, got themselves booked in a money match. So it's Jet Speed and Jurassic Express
Yes.
versus FTR and the Young Bucks for $400,000.
Ooh, I'm already thinking about what I'm about to do with this money. I'm gonna invest. I'm gonna go to the strip club. I'm gonna get all type of stuff. Like I'm thinking so many different
That's right. We're
possibilities.
adults now. We invest in. We don't just go to strip clubs. We invest in strip clubs.
Right. I want
Buying some Magic City stock. I bet a lot of strippers have their own cryptocurrency. We could get into that.
You might be on to something. But you know, tonight is a very big day. We got to get retribution. Retribution on FTR, humiliation of Broke Buck Mountain.
That's right. This one's for the retribution.
Right.
For the revival. For the revolution. For all the riches.
For all the
FTR.
riches.
For the riches. 400K.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Should I tell you to stand in the back of the...
Yeah, tell me whatever.
Is that the DJI? I have that.
Yeah, it is.
All right, now here. His role, he stands in the back of the group and just looks big. So stay there for like 3 years and then we'll... Oh, wait, no, you don't do that. Okay. No, he's back in the game. We won.
Back in the game.
Back in the game. Look
All
at
right.
that. Over his head.
The real Luchasaurus.
Whoa.
Not that kill switch bastard. No. I can say
Yeah,
Luchasaurus.
this is ours from last time, so that's ours.
Okay,
Then we
okay.
gotta split this 4 ways.
We
I
gotta
think.
split this 4
So we're gonna
ways.
have to
That's a
count
lot
that
of
out.
bread.
Oh, wait, but I gave
400,000, but I saw you give
I gave
100 to
but that's
a buck.
okay.
So
Yeah.
that, I
Take that out of mine.
You gave away
100 to Nick.
you gave away some of our money, which is fair. I think they could use it.
What is it? 400,000.
400,000.
Okay, so that's mine.
So
Right, that's
the
great.
reason.
You
Thanks
count
so
this
much.
in the back.
Yeah, Luchasaurus with the mathematician.
Split it up
so-
into 4 equal piles. Okay.
So the reason I think you shouldn't have given them money is because with the views I get, my AdSense is like I get like $100 a month from YouTube.
Wait, you got to convert this too? To Canada? Are you live in Canada?
No, I live in the U.S. now,
okay.
so I should be able to use this.
I'm gonna say that's it's a pretty penny.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
400K right
So we split it. So we've got 399,900
Yes.
Yeah.
left.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
So if we split that 4 ways.
No, I'll just take the 100 out of mine.
You sure?
Yeah, I was on a team with those guys for a while.
Whoa.
Okay, so
There's no way that's a quarter.
I feel like if we do it.
Look at the cut that this
Whoa.
guy. Dude,
Whoa. There's a lot going on right
What
now.
else do you have in here? Oh my God.
Is it that big?
Did that grow? Oh no, it shrunk. What is that?
Hey,
Oh my God. Let's go to the doctor.
Jack,
and
can you
get
take
that.
care of that, please?
Yeah, here. That's sweaty. That's your guys.
Yeah. Kevin, what's your plan with the money?
You know, I'm gonna take
Are we sticking with the original investment plan?
Of course, we gotta invest.
Let's go.
First,
Okay.
always invest.
Should we open
Then-
our own club? Should we open our very own strip club?
Oof.
So, okay, how about this? We open a strip club, but most of it is a buffet,
Okay, I like where
right?
your head's at,
That's what
Steve,
strip
dog.
clubs never have is good food.
Unless you come to Atlanta. This is why I gotta get you to the city, Speedball, because we go to
So how about
clubs for the
we
wings.
invest this money into getting strip clubs that serve lemon pepper wings
Oof.
nationwide?
Oh, yes, we need somebody auntie in the back sprinkling it up real good. We got honey garlic, honey hot, regular hot, and we gotta have the lemon pepper nationwide.
Investments.
You know, we never get the credit we deserve, so we gotta keep cash with us. Gotta
this
keep
money
the
to
cold hard
millions.
cash with us.
Yeah.
So,
But the best part, even better than the money, because money's not everything, was getting the win,
right.
pinning Dax Harwood while looking Little Stokely directly in his eyes.
Look, Lil Stokely, if you watching this, we can buy you as many hoes as we want. You just let us know because we tired of you costing us tag matches.
We
We
really
tired of looking them beady little eyes just hurt. Because I know you're miserable. I know you're miserable because you ain't got no hoes. So look, we can fix that up real quick. A cheap one too. We can get you a good one too.
No, we can't. No, we're not even going to do that. No, none of that. None of that.
Just go and bleep that part.
Okay, maybe one. No, we're going to leave it in. I don't, because again, I don't edit this. Hello, friends. It's Sunday, and I'm picking up Veda at the airport. I am officially $100,000 richer. We split it 4 ways.
Hello!
Hello! We're rich!
What?
We're rich!
Oh yeah, we're rich!
We're rich! Okay, hold on. Let's check back in a second. Okay, so we haven't seen each other in a week.
More than a week.
More than a week. More than a week.
It's been like 10 days, 11
10 days? That's way too long. So where did you go?
Oh, brother. Let's see. I've been to Mexico City, Charlotte, North Carolina, Boise, Idaho, Reno, Nevada.
Ugh.
Went back to Mexico, Dallas. Now I just landed in Newark, New Jersey to go to a show in Ridgefield Park. So I've done 7 shows in 5 different states and Mexico twice on this trip. And they were all awesome. I had a great time, but your boy is tired.
Oh my god. And you call... So, 2 shows for CMLL.
Yeah.
Which you just started doing the English commentary.
Yeah.
And that's awesome. It's available on Triller. You did Deadlock, which is always a blast.
That's premiering to... Well, this will be out already.
Oh,
but
this will be out
it's
already,
coming
yeah.
out, yeah.
Well, I'm going to put this out
Tomorrow.
Monday morning. So
it premiered the night before.
The night
so
before.
it's out.
Yeah. Jake something and Damian Priest in a... No.
The other one.
The other one. Adam Priest.
Less
in
spooky.
a cage match.
Less spooky.
Less spooky.
More of an asshole.
Right.
Not personally, just as a wrestler.
Yep.
And then I did 2 days.
I was about to say more southern, but no, not more southern. Because I think Puerto Rico is way further south than Alabama. Yeah.
Yeah. What? I just went away somewhere.
Then Juggalo Championship Wrestling.
Yes, I was back on 2 days on the Juggalo tour. I was pumped for that one, but I can only do 2 days this time because I had to go back to Mexico for the Women's Grand Prix. That was awesome. And then I went to Dallas because Athena put on another women's wrestling show. So go to the Metro.
Talking is your job.
I know, but I'm not on the clock right now. Metroplex Wrestling.
But you're always on the clock.
The Metroplex Wrestling Twitter. Subscribe to that. Watch it. It was awesome.
Marina versus Raylyn in the
It was a
two counts for shots match.
Indescribable.
Amazing.
And it was
they
awesome.
had to take a shot if there was a 2 count.
And then right now I'm going to JCW where there's a big women's wrestling tournament. So it's all about women's wrestling for me this weekend.
Okay. So let's do that. You did it.
I did.
Your last show of until Friday when you go back to Mexico.
That is not true. Wednesday morning, Tom Campbell and I have to record the commentary for the latest North show.
That's right.
So I have a day off.
Oh my god, but now we finally get a few days together, so we're just going to enjoy that. Thank you all so much for watching, friends.
I got candy.
You got candy. Leave a comment with something. I don't know. We're rich now. Thank you.